boss one for the wife. You know me? Pop zoom. Blood clot. Your pussy fat. Oh my gosh. Damn. Trinidad. Want that dark skin girl. Yo, send me to a girl from over Trinidad there real quick. Let's see what I go on. Bombo club. More takes for that one, yeah? No, well on there. Super flap for that girl there too. No, well on there. Toppy boss for that girl there too. Well on there. No, man, what's your name? Mela. Bombo Bell, dark skin. What's up, YouTube? It's some more Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. But not today. You see me? What have the girls in me say the gal magnet boss today? The gal, yo, people. You know what over here? We get the females, we rate them from 1 through 10. We smash our past them. Make them enjoy themselves. Make we see what I go on for that one. Right now, we have Mela Goddess. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. She from Trinidad. So you know she's Trinidad. We can watch the story first and see what I go on, people. Screen a card on the screen right now. Wait, pause. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video like this that I post. Like up the video. Let me, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I do a video with her. May I call her, may I find some way to get her in one of my video them. I want you there Trinidad. So if this video get 1,000 likes, you all know the chop already. May I reach out to her, she gonna answer to me, and we're gonna chat, and we're gonna set the link the right way. I'm gonna see what I go on do. So do the right thing. Tap the like button. See me? Look at see what I go on. Screen the card on the screen, right? No. Make watch the story. Let us watch the stories first. Let's go. Okay. Dog, you have so much story. I can't do them things, dog. I see that? I not even want to see the body yet, you know. You have a friend, though. But wait, we don't want to see all of them something there. Oh, Lord. Yeah. A friend is what? Crab. I like crab. A Trinidad, she right? Oh, Trinidad. Alright, go on. Alright. You know. We just want your life. Oh, yeah, wait. I'll go there. She give me something and tell me swallow. Me right. Buckle up, yes. Buckle up, yes. Buckle up, yes. I want it, Junga Bunga. I want to go on there, sir. Cambodia. You know you like that. You rascal, man. No, sir. But nobody need to rate them. Nobody need to rate the picture today. I don't do. Should I continue rating these pictures? Do you guys really need me to continue doing the rate video, or you know what's in a rate? A reaction. I'm the reaction boss, you know. Alright. Oh Lord. Well on, no, well on, pause. You know, I'm going to act like me never just watch you when I told them a while ago. Make us see what I go on now. First picture of the day. I like it, your black. Oh, it's a peak. Oops. Alright. Oops. Alright. Oops. Behave yourself. All I eat and go on. I'll tap your boss. Let me see who like that picture with me know. More TX over here. Tap your boss. Who the blood clot? Who the thunder? Me not like if you do come say me over here too, but me scroll. All I eat. Go on. What is going on here? Picture will say. Picture was. What? Go on. Picture will say. I like that. But go on. Oh. Hello. Oh Lord. Me just see something a while ago. I'm looking at the picture. Guess what I see? It's just that don't try. And I me share talk to now. You share talk. You can't tell me not try because I'm done a try already. If me get 1,000 likes, tell me don't try. tell me don't try. Make me get 1,000 likes and you will see something. 8. Big breast them. Blood clot. How would that people? What I 8. Like that. 8 though. Same fit. Selfie. Ooh. Now it's speaking. Fat smurf and bait. No, it's Bumble Clyde gonna look good. No. Yeah. My app is zoom in. Me don't care if YouTube one take whatever video from me, no that time. My app is zoom in pan that one here. You just see little split. Me think I go zoom in like I like my video, I like my little coins them, watch your ads. Like so. What? I forget my fast one. Yo, I forget my fast one for that one. You know me? Pop zoom. Blood clot. Your pussy fat, that blood clot in a girl. Tyrekevlogs, be yourself, man. Cha. I forgot double tap that one. I forgot double tap that one. But if you double tap, I got no say I make that video. I don't want she know yet. I want she know tomorrow. 10. Go on. Read that picture already, you know. Blood clot. 8. I like this too. I like your fit, yeah. Could I take off the jeans? You know, it's still the fit. I like it. I like it. I like it. But at 8, you get. You need to behave yourself. Go on. Chapter 20. Oh, she's 21 years old. You can come America, you come can got 2 bar with me, yeah, no star. Yes, I love that. Well, man like Johnny Bravo over here so too. Me ras. Hey, you look good. I like this. I love that fit. Oh, blood clot. Your body big too, yeah. People, 1,000 likes on that video right now. 1,000 likes. 1K likes. 1K. And you see what go on. I get it, I like that fit still. Behave myself. I like that fit. I like that fit. Go on, scroll. Blood clot. Trinidad. Them for know so we Trinidad. Screw. Like, we can just rub on that cheek there for the whole day. Just rub that cheek there for the whole day. Massage that cheek there for the whole. She kissing. Oh, baby. Baby. What's up? What's the reaction, boss? Tyrekevlogs. Don't get twisted. Oh, Lord, girl. You're turning blood clot. A 10 you get. What's only 10? Go on with the 10. Take it 10 for yourself. Go on. Go on. Scroll. Oh, baby. Why you picture them so appealing to the reaction box? Why are you so beautiful? What I eat do? You're too bad. Rascal, we just read that bit there. What I eat? Oof. Thank you. You calm it down a little bit, but your breast them still big and the punash still fat. Oof. What I eat? No, what I eat? Thank God she put on some clothes. Because we don't know if we could have taken no more. She put on some clothes. Thanks. We don't know if we could have taken no more. Look at I want clothes now. Yes, I like it. Yes, I love it. I get a 10 because I want some clothes. Thank gosh. Scroll. And there she blood clot goes again. Now people, this is the point of the video where I go. She have on the handcuff already. All I eat, you feel like. What you feel like. Thanks. Go for the shit have on, but the one that she don't have on no dress. What did I have on the dress? What did I have on? I put the blood clot to go. What in the world is going on? What did I have on the dress? Why? All I eat, you need to behave yourself. Be a man over here, dog. Actually, be a man. Oh, a woman there. I deal with babes. I know you we are deal with today. No, sorry, I don't know you. All right. 8. Jesus Christ. I see that fat splits. 8. Me not even say 40 today. Scroll. 8. Oh, 8. Oh, yeah. I love Boom Boom. Big up Cartel. I love Boom Boom. We'll see until we're dead. She deserves it over that there. Eat.
I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good. I look like bang.
Eat. Man, I behave myself now. I'm gonna behave myself. People, thank you guys so much for making it to the end of another madness with your boy Tyrekevlogs. We need another one, don't it? You know want another one? Comment some more names of the females them you want to see. You understand me? Big up to all of the man them out there will love woman. You did me and say nah go the wrong way. And also when the fuck pum pum the right way you go. But speak very blunt people, you understand me? Me speak very blunt because pum pum is the right way. Any other way are dirt. You understand? Me serious, me laugh a lot but me speak very blunt. People, 1,000 likes. I'ma try everything to get her in one video for entertain on. Big up on yourself, it's been about Tyrekevlogs. Peace out.